Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Siacoin. The Siacoin holders doing a big mistake at this time, friends, so please don't do this mistake and please be safe from your loss, friends. Thank you so much for watching Abby's Tech channel this video, friends, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends, and let me know that what's going at this time in a Siacoin, friends. As you can see here on the screen, at this time the price of the Siacoin in a market is 0.040087 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Siacoin. And friends, if you look, the price changes occur in the Siacoin. So the last 1 hour price change as negative, last 1 day price change as positive, and last 1 week price change as again negative, friends. That's mean that the Siacoin only take a jump in yesterday, friends. Let's see the price chart for more details. Wow, absolutely, that's a good news of Siacoin. As you can see here, positive 0.34% jumps occur in the Siacoin. I hope that this positive change become a very high in the future, friends. But anyways, if you look the price chart of the Siacoin, so as you can see here, absolutely a big move occur in the Siacoin yesterday, and I hope this kind of jumps continue and yesterday and in the future coming soon days of the CEO conference. Anyways, let's talk about the biggest mistake holders doing at this time, friends. As you can see at this time the fast occur, and also at this time when a holders see this kind of small fast occur in a CEO coin, not only CEO coin, a lot of cryptocurrencies, when they see the small fast occur in a crypto, so they want to sell has coin, friends. Absolutely, it's not a solution. Don't sell your coin in this time, friends. Now as you can see, I know in this time the Siacoin fast down, so you understand that it's time to sell, friends, because the Siacoin ur fast down. No, that's a temporary fast of Siacoin. I know that after some fast they again take a jump, and that will make you millionaire at the coming soon days, friends. What's your prediction? My prediction about Siacoin as positive, friends. I think that the big move of Siacoin are coming soon in the future. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.